Everybody, wherever you are, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account easy and quick, step by step. Let's do it. First, you just need to open your Facebook and then it will show you this list. Right now you have to come directly to this three line at the corner of the screen, the menu. Go to your settings and the privacy, settings, and right now you have to click on Meta. Here right now you will find many options. Click on personal detail. Go to the last option, account ownership and control. Click deactivation or deletion. Click on your account. Click deactivate account. Select it and click continue. Right now you have to write your password, then you will deactivate your Facebook without any problem. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.